Hey everyone! Meet the new Vansah test script toolbar. Faster, cleaner, and designed for flow. Everything you need is now one tap away. Add steps, reorder, attach evidence, and more. First, instant awareness. As you select steps, the live counter keeps up to show what you have selected. Now you can copy your selected steps, then paste wherever your project team collaborates. My favorite addition is the new clone step feature. Simply select steps and hit clone, as Vansah now copies your selected steps along with formatting and drops the clones right below, auto-renumbered and ready to tweak. Insert new steps exactly where you need them, before or after the step selected. You can also attach extra test step information by clicking on the Attach option. Build reusable flows by calling an existing test case right inside your script. Delete selected steps with the new Delete Toolbar option. Simply confirm and all steps will be removed at a click. Finally, you can now drag and drop steps. Grab the drag handle on a step and move and release when ready to reorder your test script. Ready to move faster? Build, reuse, and reorder in a snap with the new Vansah test script toolbar. Try it in Jira today.